Wait, let's try and move that little bug off of that beetle. And then,
With what?
I don't know. We just try, and then, like, we zoom in on that bug moving around.
What is that?
Maybe it's a
It's
squished
like-
one.
Look at the holes. This is so crazy.
Probably like
It looks like
it's-
rock.
exoskeleton composing.
Did you just make that up?
Yeah. I don't even know what I just said. Composing.
Decomposing?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's probably glue.
Oh. He's got big muscles like Popeye.
Oi!
Okay, don't move, bro.
Don't move, bro! Hey! Where are you?
Move your head. Okay, you can move now, dude. There's some glue on his head.
He's probably I can't
These antennae move too. See, that's a ball right there. It is.
move. It's so weird. It's like a robot.
I was so tripped. Whoa!
Where is he going?
Oh, is he flipping me off?
He's like, you ain't taking a picture of me. I really don't want those pictures or videos on here. Get a drive. Put them all on there.
Go get the thumb drive.
What does it look like? The pink one?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Just whatever's on my desk. I think there's one plugged into that USB hub. Trippy. Later, bro.